Hello and welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom and today we're going to be smoking tomatoes and then we're going to make a passata. We're just going to place them on skin side down. I've put them onto the parchment paper just to stop them skins from sticking. They should be okay though. This is more for the flesh than the skin anyway, when we're taking the skins off. Put some in between. I've used two different varieties of tomato here just so that we've got a bit of different depth in flavour. Again, all we're going to do is we're going to chop that in half straight through the middle. And we're going to let that cook outside on the baking trays with the tomatoes. And then also keep the garlic inside the skins, and they're just going to roast on the same trays as well. We'll place these tomatoes indirect, away from the heat. I left these out on the smoker for about 2 hours and they're lovely and soft. All the garlic's beautifully soft and the onions. So you don't need the skins, these just peel straight off when they're warm. Really easy. I'm just going to roughly cut these just in half. Don't let too much of the juice escape before we get it in the saucepan. These onions just pop straight out of the skin. Lovely and soft. These garlic cloves. Just cut the end off. Squeeze straight out. Just added a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of this pan. I'm just going to add the tomatoes, the onion and the garlic in and just let it stew together for a little while. That's been in the pan for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. So I've been cooking for about 15 minutes and as you can see the juice has really started to evaporate out and reduce down. So this is time to now get this into a blender and blend some of these bigger chunks down. Transfer this in nice and slowly because it's still very hot. I'll burn myself. Make sure I get the lid on nice and tight. I'm just going to pulse. Let's just have a check, see what this is like. Yeah, all the chunks definitely seem to be out. Let's just have a quick taste. Wow, the smoke's really come through. That's brilliant. That's going to make some really nice passata to go on pizzas tomorrow night. This passata is so easy to make. If you've got any leftover charcoals after another cook and you've got some tomatoes in the fridge, just put them on, leave them for a couple of hours, strip them skins off and just let them reduce down in a saucepan. It was so easy. It's made a really tasty passata, ideal for going on the tops of pizzas. If you want to leave it more chunky, you can put it as a pasta sauce. It just just works really well for next to no effort. Hope you've enjoyed watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then please consider liking and subscribe to our channel for future videos. We plan on putting videos out every 2 weeks at the moment. Thank you very much for watching.